Good evening, Prof. So it's my presentation. The theme that I have chosen is teacher quality and student performance, and my article is optimizing teacher quality based on student performance, a data and development analysis on PISA and TALIS. The primary issue discussed in this research is to determine the relative efficiency of 28 countries participated in PISA 2015 and TALIS 2013 based on student performance and teacher quality. The reason why this article is interesting is because the researcher has actually utilized various variables in order to reveal important improvements countries must make in terms of teacher quality, which is the input, in order to have better results for student performance as the output. So this is a qualitative research, and the data used are several. First is the OECD's data, which incorporates two large-scale datasets, 28 countries from TALIS 2013, which emphasizes on teacher quality, and PISA 2015, which emphasizes on student performance. And there are also some assessments and reports which has been used, such as Program for International Student Assessment, Survey of Adult Skills, Teaching and Learning International Survey, and Education at a Glance. Thus, there is also data and development analysis which has been made based on CCR and BCC skill levels. The institute description here would be: the researcher has used cost-benefit analysis and the mathematical functional based method, whereby he used multiple input and output variables to analyze the efficiency of countries and make optimization of teacher quality. The researcher also utilized CCR and BCC model to determine the efficiency score in the study in order to select an efficient model for revealing the potential improvement after finding out the efficiency score. The findings of this research, or the conclusion, is that teachers' quality has a vital impact on student performance. Teachers' knowledge, professional development, and cognitive activities, which includes high-order thinking skills, problem-solving, decision-making, and critical thinking, helps a lot in developing students' performance and efficiency of countries. However, there are certain improvements that could be made, whereby teachers should prepare lessons well, conduct student-centered approach, utilize various assignments, especially for students with learning difficulties based on their ability and level, and teachers should also practice good class management. So the results here shows that I would agree with the researcher that teachers' quality plays an important role in increasing and achieving students' performance in schools. Therefore, teachers should attend proper professional development programs. This is very important in order to upgrade themselves with better knowledge. Second is to be able to use educational technologies. So we have to make sure as educators we update ourselves with the latest technology and utilize them in an effective way in classroom teaching. Teachers should have subject matter knowledge. This is very, very essential. We should know well about the subject before we deliver the lesson. Support the development of students according to their individual differences. So normally we have a mixed ability student in classes. So we as educators and teachers should be able to identify the needs and deliver lessons according to their differences. Prepare convenient materials for introduction. This is also important in order to engage students to our lessons. Use alternative measurements and evaluation methods. So based on the subject and also students' ability, we should come up with a very appropriate measurement and evaluation method for them. Communicate with families is also part of the teacher's job, where it's important to ensure we have good bonding with families in order to update about the kids, about their progress in studies. In all this, the teacher should be able to manage the classroom efficiently. This is very, very important towards providing positive learning environment. So with all these qualities and implementation, we could actually achieve students' performance in school. Next is the relationship between the variables. So teacher quality and student performance has a strong relationship towards achieving a good learning environment. This could be mainly seen in main 4 elements, which are teacher training and preparation, subject matter knowledge, classroom management through observation and experience, and cognitive activities. So the interpretation and conclusion justification is that qualitative method helps in evaluation studies and the data envelopment analysis, which includes CCR and BCC scale models, have shown that increasing teacher quality is a key element for successful educational system. So the hypothesis testing here is that all the research methods used by the researcher have effectively tested and confirmed the hypothesis made for this experiment. And the result bias explanation, as I mentioned earlier, there is some limitation in the study where it has a limited number of input variables about teacher quality, which makes it possible for the next research to include either negative or positive attributes of teacher quality. So this is the reference. Thank you, Professor.